I've got the best free services with all the necessary materials you need when creating a YouTube video. Imagine you read a script, record your voice and sit it down to put together a video. But how do you display what you are seeing behind the scenes on the screen? This video will solve this problem. Today we are going to break down where to find footage, pictures, sound effects and music for YouTube videos. Hi, my name is Ilya Astakhov. I worked on radio for 5 years, 3 years on TV, and now I'm YouTuber, musician and work with bloggers. Let's dive in. Site number 1, Vecteezy, a site where you can find all the materials you need for your videos, from images to ready-made Photoshop projects. We write in the search bar the necessary request, and in this menu select the type of license free and choose the materials we need. Site number 2, Freepik. Navigation on the site is similar to the previous one. In the search bar we write the necessary request, choose the appropriate parameters, type of video, quality, duration, and select the free license option. What size to choose in music and sound effects I will tell in new videos, so subscribe to not miss. In case you need to pick up icons or stickers to create your videos, then you can use this site, Flaticon. On the main page of this site, choose the type of material you need: icons, stickers, animated icons, interface icons, etc. We write the necessary request, select the desired material and download. This service offers to buy a premium subscription to use the material without attribution. Or you can download for free, but in the video, in its description, you must provide a link to the author. Moving on. Website Mixkit.co, a site where you can find free videos, music or sound effects. On the main screen you can choose a suitable category, or by keyword you can set a search query, read the terms of use before downloading materials. Also, if you have a camera or even your own phone, you can film or photograph the necessary materials for your YouTube videos yourself. For example, if you are talking about car traffic on the road in your video, you can go outside and film it yourself. Or for example, when talking about your workout plan, you could video yourself making that plan on the piece of paper. If you still have questions about choosing materials for your YouTube videos, which ones you can use, which ones you can't use, then write about it in the comments. If you want to choose paid services for your videos, then it's Elements Envato. This is huge library of music, videos and sound effects for your videos. By paying for a subscription, you can use the entire library of materials available on this site. And all of the above services, before downloading materials, I recommend you to read the terms of use. Often, when using free materials, the service asks to specify the author of the material. On YouTube, you can do this, for example, in the description of the video. Create your own videos on YouTube with pleasure, especially since now you have one less problem. And you know a quick way to get high-quality free material for video editing on YouTube.